Today I want to show you how to make a bird feeder on a budget. How to make a bird feeder on a budget. And so I have this tomato cage. It's the one that has 1, 2, 3, 4 rings. They come in different sizes. This is the biggest one. I stuck it into the bottom of my raised bed. There you go. Make sure it's very sturdy, or as possible as you can. And then I just took a big tray, just a plastic tray, any tray will do, and I put a little brick on it. And the reason I put the brick on it is because the big bird, the crows, the black ones, they come and they pretty much sabotage my setup and steal all the breadcrumbs and run away. So anyway, I just wanted to show you how I do my seeds, breadcrumbs. And there is my kitchen window where I take all the videos of the birds coming and eating the breadcrumbs on my bird feeder. So as you can see, I added some breadcrumbs, cut into small pieces, and the big birds and the small birds are will enjoy this bird feeder. And if you enjoy my videos, please like and share and subscribe so we can visit. What we're gonna do today is I'm gonna wait to see which birds are coming to visit the bird feeder and take a video. Hopefully we will see a variety of birds, and we will enjoy looking at them. They will enjoy feeding, and I'm gonna post those videos